Here today to dispel the rumors and the myth going around about our Ekuapem Tufohene. Sitting over here, the panel you see is the Otutu Abrempong Asuna family. We are made up of 4 gates. Ofebie Siama, Abna Fusua, Ajo Usia. The 4th gate, Rachel Kwafo, are not here today. They were invited and they said that they needed 3 days notice before they could appear. Now, it is time, our chief has passed and it's time for us to install a new chief. Already got up and produced a chief that is not part or is not approved by our Ebusia. We have nothing to do with it. We know nothing about it, and none of us has sanctioned it. The gate that the chief is supposed to come from, the Ebusiapen, is sitting right here, and the Emiratia are behind us. They have confirmed to the family when we met today, and we asked them a direct question: are you the people who brought this chief out? They said no, they know nothing about it. We asked the overall the Ebusiapen of the gate, do you know anything? Are you involved with this installation? He says no, he does not know anything about it. We have a process. I know that they've heard that Ohimia knows, but Ohimia to me Fanepe in Kosi Ohini, not in our family. Ohimia, we have a process that we go through. The Emiratia and Anima Painful sit down and they select a candidate. They present the candidate to the Ebusiapen. The Ebusiapen then presents the candidate to the Ohimia for her assessment. She will verify the lineage. She will verify if he's truly from the Ebusia and if he's a royal. Then he will bring it to the elders of the family, the chiefs and the elders of the family, for us to find out, to question further. If that is acceptable, we give them back to the Ohimia and she presents it to the family as a whole. That is the correct process. And that is why she is said to install. She cannot walk into a gate and decide to pick anybody from there and bring him over and install the person as our chief. That is not done, and that is not acceptable. We have not installed any chief. We do not have an Ekuapem Tufohene yet. At the time and place and when it's ready, we will introduce the chief through the right and correct process and show the whole world. This chief was installed at 12 midnight. We are the Ekuapem Tufohene. We do not install chiefs in the middle of the night. What are we afraid of? What are we scared of? Yako jiade. What's that? Yako fade. Yembisa. Yensroshi. Until we do not and will not install a thief in the night, in the middle of the night, when everybody is asleep. We will install in broad daylight. My name is Nana Ewuku Samnamon, Ekuapem Tufohene Chidomhene.
Also for paying a Malcolm, whom Jim says, Very Reverend Samuel Amu Ayesu.
so
otutu abrambon asona abusia penyin that is a gate no ameme woman ya Abraham Osua gate and am yeso abusia penyin no kwareni nana etwa ne ne hwe ban no na sasa meso na edu samidi obi ba bre ne bre pem na yesinene bre no enu ye na ninji abre ne enu yi ne se abusuya no ihia na wakese o sese de papa kofa wo de hye no bra na amane kwan so no ye ne etese ye me ye bri ya saaye ohimi ya momo no ba no bebi sa mi se minim se me so na aduana na me so ohimi ya minim papa o se ani se unya obi dia na me so manya bi dada ma pa obi a mfia bi senipo na me hwe obi a me ma no ntete we mrewati ya ne no nso ekasa ene ade na mo mbre nso yi nti na ma menka we no inti se pa se was a kwesi otoyo ana kwesi dem kwesi toyo how what the next year this no me nim ho hwe me am yabusu apayin no me nim no kora manu angosu ya bie ni ehun na da kora so no ni me dia ene na asem enti mi se ni ankrofo keka no enye no kware yensi hene bia eye kase hu afe na me mere pe onipa no ni amapa no de da wo no me de no kwa akokere me de ne ma ohimia o de be ko gwam o de akokere na sese a meti we pa de osof panyin amu ayizu me si hene bia abusuya no yensi hene bia se mpo wo si kura enne ye kese ni abrofo kan we declare it null and void.
Akropong gate na amdano na Akropong gate na ye overall abusuya pending for the 3 other gates in Eburi. The thing is say ko so say wo si ohene e fro him e bisia no wo si on timi nye bibia on kan kire me na de se ai wantwu bi wo fosue abusia ni nti me je say many factions ni na bisia ihia na otwe mem yansi na me hye won say me hu abusuya pani ayensu so for ayensu na brada de muama brada na sa brada na Eburi wusu wotwa odira wusu ni juda eno pe ya obi se won ase ne hen ti me overall abusuya pani mi ni mo hwe mi se ni mu bibia nyanko boni ni mo hwe anes
me din edekwadwo esare me fi ofa bia asiama abusua mu a me yodehye ewom saabiri mefa kwanya yiso na me din chia aimu yeden ama yenyinara yewura aye osiade ye okwasi akufu a oye okuapehene se ye from ne wa ha enye bone biribi akoso ewo yen abusua mu a eye otutu abrempon asona abusua sa abusua yen ena sabe yakura ayoku apemanye nara tufuhene agwa ani achi ne yasanso otutu abrempon asona wa Eburi yasanso otutu abrempon asona wa Akropong ha anu nti yedi ahensa ana ahenasa na bribia koso yen hene na otiase mpremprenyin awurade mfa de kransi eyie eye nana kranchi bedi atuo asabiri ode na akwantupuma atweri ban amane kwan awose mpanyene tenase awose mmerewatia awose busuapanyefo yenara ka wonti bom na wopa wodehye awose efata ade bresebe eyoku apeman anampo abusua ne nyinara nenso yakoda sore ya yenka bi nhyiemu enkrofo bi asore se won apa odehye ade ama eye otutu abrempon aso na abusua ye mukanan se okwa aburidi a eye mukasa sabe mpanya duasa yefro eye agwai na emum se kropon ha beka ho a na aye mukanan a won ene ye overall ewa abusua ni nyina no ye wo ofa bi asi ama ofa bi asi ama no ono ne opehene ade masa mere watie yi ye wo eye yirenchiwa akwafo ono na otoso abien wo mere watie ni mu afosua sabra afosua yi emprempren sempanyin sina hena wonso ana eduse wopa wodehye efi nenso yanom fu bi sabe mpanya duasa eka wonku a nanko yenne nanko ku esi woku apeman mu abawura busua mu abusua pan ni mu hwe emere watia eni mu hwe won akofo bi you onyo dehye de no aiden abre abusua no ene yereka kire Ghana man yereka kire oku apeman nyinara se otutu abrempon asona abusua yang ne afuro oku apeman nyinara tufo hinegwa yesanso ye otutu abrempon asona hene wakropon ene aburi no yenyam pa wodehye bia yempo na sabe yabekasi yesi ohene biribiara se nim ye asam ne wo okuape hina himfi awon kampo wieye okuape hina ne mpakanfo enka asam ne wieye ye koda sore ya anadwo de sum baye donkro o se dumie nko donkro ana wose won esi hene adanti ana wose eba na saa ade biara ye wasam ya yeka yesi se obi ton kronode ede mawa ana ka kire se ye ntemfa kọ enti o ka sa kire pe wo se hu se ade na waton ama wo no eye kronode imprempren ye jira buhwe nyina na mu ya mere wati anan mu aka se biribiara se ni ho ya bisa won nanso won anya kukuduru biara anka biribia nchiro bia na mum ye wadanse a kire ne won aye yeresra ye wura osi ade ayo kwasi akufu ane ne mpanyin ne mpakanfo se wonhwe na wonfa yiye emfa ntu yiye emfa maye sansa ba bi ade ne dan wonfa nto pe na fiato ye nyina yere prasum dwe wo kuapeman mu ya pese okuapeman fanenta mapabi efura yere ka aye ukuda ene sokodentam piao yere ka sonko yawdantam piao se yempese yede basabasayo ebeba okuapeman mu na mu manhwani ya na okina sese na osamansuja wanya kunu yede mase
meni amrewati ameda abrafosua ano bacho wosi hene no wanga mehumi ni ayeti an se wanga si hene anadro donkro nti ahensi no yenyum hohwe nti aka ukuda sokode se sa hene no wanga si de yenye ntom fiao mewie ohemia no wesi so hene no yenyum hohwe nso ya na gate no aduye nso abrafosua na aduye nso yentu akwafo na esi hene no yenyum hohwe eno ose ade ayo sa asemi onhwe no nka na ne ete se eye no onfa nto anya sa yempento kwasem ne ye pa ni nka bom yempento kwasem